So for our ongoing class, Nancy had the greatest idea. We're working on the solo for Secret Love, and there's different ways of doing this. We were doing a starfish chord or this chord, and basically we were doing more of a chord melody going horizontally rather than vertically. But what Nancy discovered is using this little G form here with one ringing string in the low G. There's a scale here. I don't know it well enough to even explain it to you, to figure out myself. But if we hold this G form down, we're going to find other notes around here that will catch the melody. Whoops. I did it by ear, and my baby finger is the one who is doing the work here. So I'm doing a block chord or an arpeggiated block chord, and then single notes. And then I'm coming down here for the D. Let me show you again. So watch here. Okay, so here's our G. Baby finger on the... I'm not even going to tell you. I think it'll be too confusing. So just watch what I'm doing here. Watch the baby finger. Letting go. So we're doing a combination of the notes that are in the chord, and I'm holding that chord down like it's the end of the world here. So here's our ba, 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 ba. Let's try it again. Ba, da, 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 da. Let's try it again. Ba, 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 ba. Now I'm watching myself. I am laying the chord down twice. Watch this, whatever I can of it. Here's our G. Ba, da, da. The melody is falling on the E string, so I can only play those bottom strings. Da, 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 da. And then improvising, and so on. Yeah, so this is great. We're getting to know our fretboard a little bit better, and the possibilities of making it a little easier when we're doing a chord melody. Great observation, Nancy. Thank you so much. Here we go.